I was always interested in theater. I remember, I guess when I was in fourth grade, I had to read a paragraph about baseball out loud to the class. Everyone was going around and I couldn't care less about baseball. But I just read it, and I read it with full dramatic. I became so interested in baseball as I was reading it, and I remember the class kind of being into it, or the teacher being into it. The other students probably rolled their eyes, and that feeling of reading something in front of people and performing something, it just made me feel alive. And then in fifth grade, I remember we were studying the Greek myths. So instead of writing a paper, I staged one of the myths with a classmate that I dragged into it, and it was fantastic. And then I staged, also in fifth grade, I staged Anne of Green Gables. I had my friend play Anne, and I was the bigger part. I was Mrs. Rachel Lynde, and I was berating Anne. And and then when I was in high school, I auditioned for every play, and I met these incredible two friends who were actors too, and also this wonderful teacher. And then we did Oscar Wilde. It was an all-girls school, so I would play the male leads, and I just loved it. High school can be a difficult time, and if you have an art or a sport that you can disappear into, and for me that was theater, it becomes a glorious time.